How to fix can't open this app? You will not be able to access this application. Please pay now on to regain access. So, if you are having this issue, then it sounds like you might be experiencing a malware or ransomware issue on your mobile device. So, in this video, I will show you some steps that will help you to fix this issue. The first thing first, you have to restart your device in safe mode. So, first of all, you have to press and hold the power button, and once this power off menu appears, you have to slide towards the power off option until the reboot to safe mode prompts appear. Then you need to tap OK to reboot into safe mode. Or else what you can do is when you power off this mobile device and when you try to power on, you will see your mobile name on yellow letters. Then when it appears, you have to click on the volume down button, and once that done, then your device will restart in safe mode. So turning on safe mode on your device will help you to not use any kind of third party app that is hindering in smooth use of your mobile device. So, once you have done that, your issue might be fixed. But if it is not fixed, then you have to follow the second step. So, following the second step involves uninstalling the suspicious app. So, for that, you can go to the settings on your device. Once the settings appears, go to apps and then select the app management. Here you can easily find out or look for any suspicious or recently installed apps. Then you can tap on the app and uninstall the application that you found or that you find suspicious. So uninstalling suspicious apps will help in fixing this kinds of issue. Or you can also update your device and application from any Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Or else you can also factory reset your device. For that, you need to go to the settings page, and then on the settings page you can see the search bar at the top of the screen where you have to write in reset, where you will see the multiple options. Just you have to tap on erase all data, and then you have to finally click on this erase all data option, and once done it will help to factory reset your device. Once it is done, your all the issues regarding can't open the apps will be fixed and there won't be any issues further. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.